Day 2 of the Mahakumbh in Prayagraj, and with divinity and devotion, a congregation of lakhs of people which will go into crores as well. Remember the Amrit Snan at the Triveni Sangam? We have some visuals coming in, absolutely incredible. These are from early this morning and yesterday as well. Let's take a look at that. Lakhs of people taking the holy dip at the Triveni Sangam. Early this morning, this is the Amrit Snan, where at the Mahakumbh, seers, Naga sadhus arrived for the holy dip at the Sangam. This holds significance. Akhadas will be participating in it, and it's believed that this is the holiest of dips that you can take at the Sangam. Ash smeared Naga sadhus, other seers at the Triveni Sangam, and the procession of the sadhus before the Snan also involved other seers, devotees who took the holy dip. This is basically the auspicious occasion of Makar Sankranti being celebrated and observed across India and as per the Hindu calendar, and that's why the reason you see the Snan at the Mahakumbh. 13 akhadas of the Sanatan Dharma, different seers associated with it. Makar Sankranti, Basant Panchami. The akhadas have received information about the date specific of the Snan, their schedule. So all of this is as per protocol. Remember, it's not that anyone can come in. There is a proper schedule as per akhadas that has been decided. The realization of how the Sanatan Dharma and the devotion has spread far and wide. Devotees from other countries gathering to sing bhajans, mantras, clearly a devotional mood around in Prayagraj. Sacred chanting by those not born in the Hindu community but have adopted it.
Om Jai Jagadish Hare. Dharma ki, adharma ka.
Remember, this is a huge responsibility as well. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath extending wishes of the occasion of Makar Sankranti, also interacting with devotees in Gorakhpur. Yogi Adityanath government has arranged a flower shower from the choppers as well for the devotees at the Sangam. Rose petals were being showered on the devotees bathing at all the ghats. Remember, it's a responsibility to ensure that it will be a safe passage, a smooth Mahakumbh for one and all.